At 9:02, a fleet of AI agents sent 312 action requests to one manager. At 9:08, every request was approved. That is about 1 second per decision. The dashboard showed human oversight. The queue showed something else, a person being used as a very slow automation step. This is an illustrative scenario, not a reported incident. The risk is approval fatigue. When review demand exceeds human attention, the control can collapse into routine clicking. A reviewer may be authorized, independent, and looking at the exact action, yet still miss the one dangerous request hidden inside hundreds of ordinary ones. Approval integrity protects what a decision covers. Approval fatigue asks whether a real decision happened at all. A signature proves that a button was pressed. It does not prove that the evidence was understood, the consequences were weighed, or the reviewer had enough time to challenge the agent. Build the AI Agent Approval Fatigue Autopilot in 6 parts. First, triage before creating a human task. Classify each action by impact, reversibility, data sensitivity, uncertainty, policy exception, and blast radius. Low-risk reversible work can follow pre-approved policy limits with logging and sampling. Material, irreversible, unusual, or low-confidence actions enter individual review. Do not send everything to a human merely to make an architecture diagram look safer. Second, model reviewer capacity as a hard control. Estimate the time needed for each decision class. Track available qualified reviewers, queue depth, age, interruptions, and expected arrival rate. Define a decision budget rather than an unlimited inbox. There is no universal safe quota. The limit must come from measured review time and observed error rates in the real workflow. Third, build a decision packet for attention, not completeness. Put the exact action, material fields, changes, evidence, uncertainty, policy result, and potential consequence in a stable order. Remove decorative context. Highlight the fact that would make a reasonable reviewer stop. Make approve, reject, defer, and escalate equally clear. The reviewer must be able to challenge the recommendation without reconstructing the agent's entire trace. Fourth, apply backpressure when capacity is exhausted. Slow the agents, hold new high-impact execution, shrink autonomy, reroute to another qualified reviewer, or move the service into a safer degraded mode. Never preserve throughput by compressing a 5-minute review into 5 seconds. A growing queue is an operational signal, not permission to lower the control. Fifth, measure decision quality, not approval volume. Monitor review time by risk class, approval and rejection rates, deferrals, overrides, downstream reversals, sampled accuracy, reviewer disagreement, and incidents after approval. Use known control cases and independent sampling to test whether reviewers notice material defects. A 99% approval rate may reflect excellent inputs, or it may reveal rubber stamping. The surrounding evidence decides. Sixth, close the feedback loop. If one request type creates noise, improve its policy or automate it safely. If one decision packet causes errors, redesign it. If a reviewer or team is overloaded, reduce demand before adding more alerts. Recalibrate thresholds, capacity, routing, and sampling from production evidence, then retain an audit trail of what changed and why. Now replay the scenario. The system classifies most of the 312 requests as low risk and reversible. They execute inside bounded policy and enter a sample. A small set of material actions receives clear individual packets. When the decision budget fills, the agent queue slows. The coral red request waits instead of disappearing inside a flood of green approvals. That is the AI Agent Approval Fatigue Autopilot, Triage Demand, Budget Reviewer Capacity, Design for Attention, Enforce Backpressure, Test Decision Quality, and Improve from Evidence. Human in the loop is not a label. It is a capacity-constrained control that must prove the human had a meaningful chance to say no.